Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to make an animated circle. It's very simple to do. We're going to jump right over into the Fusion page. We're going to drag in a background node. It's going to give us our media out node. With our background node highlighted, we come up here. This is the paint node. Click on that. That will give us our paint node. I'm going to highlight the background node. I'm coming over to our inspector channel, alpha. We're going to crank that right down to 0. That gives us our blank background. I'm going to click on the paint node. I'm going to come up here to our stroke brush. That's this brush right here, stroke. I'm going to change our color to red. I'm going to hit OK. We're going to go under brush controls. I'm going to bring that size down some. You can set the softness if you want. I'm going to come down to stroke controls, stroke animation. We want to set that to right on. I'm going to make the duration 20. And now we're ready to write. Now the faster you draw, the faster the animation will be. If you draw real slow, your animation will be slow. So we'll just simply click and draw a circle. That's all there is to it. We'll play that back. And there you have it. Nothing to it. Pretty simple. But now to render that out so you can use it in your videos, we'll go over to the Deliver page. I'll just name it RC for red circle. Save it in the download folder. But now it has to be QuickTime format in order to preserve this alpha channel. So we're going to go to QuickTime. I'm using the DNxHR codec. Make sure you check Export Alpha. It's very important. We just add it to our render queue and then simply render it out. That's really all there is to it. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.